All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So this is pretty interesting. This is the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. My phones haven't shown up yet, so it is what it is. Now I'm coming from the Galaxy Watch 4, 44 millimeter, and this is really nice. The only, folks, believe it or not, the only real difference in between my watch and this watch right here is the hardware. My watch has, the 4 has a 361 battery or something like that, and this has a 590. Other than that, when you look at the specs of these right next to each other, they are literally really close. Like, they're the same. So, I'm gonna get this open here. I was excited to hear about the Pro, you know, because of the hardware. That's different, obviously. The hardware is a lot different. Oh, this definitely is pretty cool. It comes with a Type-C charger now, instead of the regular with the other one on there. This comes with a Type-C charger. See, and the the other version comes with just a regular USB-A, I believe. Yeah. Here's my other charger right here, and it comes with this USB-A. So that's another difference. Also, this new band that they brought out is supposed to be really nice. I don't know how I feel about it yet, but we shall see. The magnet or whatever, you lift up on it like this, and then you pull down on it like that, and then you put the band in and adjust it where you think it's going to fit you best, and then you can lock it in place, and then you put it back on. This is how you will have it. So interesting for the band, but it is a 20 millimeter, so you'll be able to change that if you don't like it. Now let me take off my watch here so you can see this is a much thicker watch than what I had before. Even though my watch is silver, you can see how thick that is. That is a thick watch, man. It really genuinely is really thick. It's almost double the size, it appears. And it has like this I'm going to go ahead and power it on here. Yeah, I got a little bit of juice. It has like this concave look on the display, which I think is really nice. And it's got it's a lot heavier too, man. That's crazy. But it comes in a gray color as well. But the hardware is different on here than this one. This is sapphire crystal, and this is not. This is just Gorilla Glass or DX or Plus or something like that. But just the entire hardware itself is completely different, man. So this is going to be really nice. It does have a 20 millimeter strap, so I'll be able to use any strap on it if I want to. If I don't like this particular strap, I can put on any one of the other straps that I have, and that'll be good. But surprisingly enough, it's the same screen size and everything else. So when you hold it next to your device, you should get this prompt right here. So you just hit connect, and then it'll take you through here. I like that we got Type-C now. Hopefully it's a better fast charging or whatever. But I'm excited about that. So you go ahead and confirm that. And I plan on using this watch with my Z Flip 4. But I'm running into some issues with getting my Z Flip 4. They're just not sending it to me. It's so strange that I can't get my order. I've ordered twice and had to cancel 2 times because they keep messing up. But my Z Fold 4, all of my orders got delayed too, by the way. So you're probably wondering, Jay, where's your stuff at? Well, I bought it just like everybody else that ordered. I pre-ordered on day 1. Right when the event ended, I pre-ordered, and I got my orders in. It said August 26th, and then all of a sudden, my Fold pushed back to September, and it's been sitting at September since I ordered. And then my Z Flip 4, it was saying August 26th, and then all of a sudden, it just jumped back to September the first time, and then it jumped to October. And then I canceled the order, get back in, order another one because they were refusing to sell it to me at the price that I got it to. Basically, that's what my prediction is, or my feelings about it. And then I ordered again. I ordered a different memory option, and they pushed that order back. It said August 26th. It said it's going to be shipping the next day, and I ordered that on the 22nd. but it didn't do it. They moved it back. I got it in today, and I looked at my order, and it was all the way back in September again. It moved it up to September again. So I probably won't review the Z Flip 4 anytime soon. Samsung's messing around, not wanting to allow me to get the device for some reason. So let me get this set up. Now you know why I don't have my other devices. Let me get this set up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so after your watch is synced to your device, this is where it's going to stop. So I didn't want to go too far ahead. I want to go ahead and show you what for the people that don't know. Once you get it, it's going to do this right here. It's gonna power on and get you in focus there. There we go. So swipe down. It's going to tell you how to use your device, and you just follow the instructions, and that's pretty much it. Now this watch face comes default, so I'll show you about changing that in just a second. But this is the same way it is when you go to any other watches. It happens like this. Just go through the tutorial. I think you can skip it. I'm not sure, but I just go through it, and it'll say, okay, you finish once you get this, and then there it is. But we'll talk about the hardware in a second, and this is letting me know I can do this right here, like that. So I think that's the tutorial. All right, now, if you want to, now first let's get to the hardware real quick. So this hardware is actually titanium, and this is aluminum. So there's a big difference there. One's titanium and one's aluminum. So let's move this out for a second. That is going to be the biggest difference, and that's why I went with the Pro model this time, because I really wanted to get the best I can get from them and the strongest, because I banged up this watch right here plenty of times on the edges and stuff like that. It's got a couple of nicks on it. I got a tempered glass on the case and everything. It still got banged up. But you see how to navigate the watch. Now, if you want to change the watch faces from the watch, you just long press on it like that. And then you can add more. It comes with one, looks like. So let's add some more. You can customize it too. And these are the ones you now have an emoji, AR emoji on there. These are other watch faces you can put on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and rock, since this has much better battery. Oh, I got my Bitmoji. Yeah, that's pretty cool too. I might do that. These are other watch faces that I've definitely used before. I didn't do a restore from my other watch, but all of these watch faces right here are actually saved from the Galaxy Watch 4. So this is what it looks like. But I think I'm gonna do one of the new AR emoji ones, because I'm sure I got one of these AR emojis set up. But let's customize it and see what happens here. I'll come back around to that one. I'm not gonna mess with that right now. But you know what? We'll leave it like this for just a second, so you can see the little AR emoji right there. This is what it looks like when you pick one of the AR emojis. So that's pretty cool. But that that's the bulk of it right now. Let's get it fitted up. Oh man, I gotta get used to this magnet joint, man. I'm not really a fan of this right here, at least the way it is right now. So you basically have to kind of gauge where you think it's going to be able to get it around your wrist, man. And then you'll be able to lock it in place. Wow, I hit that one right. Man, what are the chances of me measuring that right off? First impressions of it, I like the hardware. I'm glad I went with the Pro model this time. Again, compared to the Watch 4, it's the same size screen. You're pretty much just getting better hardware. Same operating system. They talked about it, hooking up with Google, doing things. But other than that, same watch, bigger battery, better hardware. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. And let me create an AR emoji real quick. All right, I'm going to keep it 100. These AR emoji things like borderline racist, man. Like, they got this brother with these big old red lips. Man, this is super lame, man. You can't. This is lame. Really lame. The avatars or whatever this is on Apple is worlds better. Look at these big old red lips they got on this brother.
What the frick is going on, man? This is stupid. I can't even find my haircut.
This dude got a big old forehead. It's like, what the frick? I don't, Samsung, like for real, I'm totally not joking. This looks stupid.
This brother got these big old red lips. That's just lame.
They got this brother here, bald headed right here. This is so stupid, man. None of these look like real people's haircuts. Whoever's over there at Samsung, with these haircuts, this is lame, man. What is this? I mean, come on, man. Come on, Samsung. What is this? They put this out here with this big old afro. What the heck? My hair haven't been that long since I was like 19, 20. I can't even find a decent haircut up in here, man.
This is so lame. They got the, oh boy, this is horrible, Samsung. Who the freak looks like this? Look at these whack. This is so bad, man. This is bad, Samsung. This is not good. This is not a good look. These AR emojis are super lame. Just freaking horrible. I ain't never in my life seen nothing like this garbage. I can't do it. They're lame. Just lame. Freaking lame.
Anyway, no AR emojis from me. I am out of here. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is here. Whenever I get my phone in, man, I guess I'll be able to catch up and give you some content on it. Take care.